Videos I upload. Figured I'll show you guys something cool in case you don't know. For the newbies out there, check this out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stuff like that. I'm gonna be uploading some cool stuff on here. So basically, as you may all know, Terrarium TV, or however you say that, Terrarium TV is down. You can Google search. You probably notice on your app, and you'll see that it doesn't work even after you update it. You see all this here, company shut down, and see a cool thing here about TTV. I'll check that out and make a video later, but check this out. All you gotta do to get a replacement for it, just put Freeflix HQ APK. Search that, click on the one that has the Freeflix HQ right here. That's the official one. And if you click on download APK, this first one, too many people are downloading, so it doesn't really download, or it takes forever. And then also the x86 is here also, if the other one doesn't work for you, and it's for your Mac OS and PC. But what you want to do is click here on the bottom where it says having trouble downloading the APK, use these mirror links. Well, start off with the ARM. As you can see down here, it says please download the x86 version if your processor is an Intel, otherwise it won't work. So click on ARM. It's going to be a mirror link. Just scroll down and click on download Freeflix HQ APK. This also works on the Fire Stick. You can access it through ES Explorer or the downloader. See, it says the type of file. You can harm your device, whatever. Make sure you have developer mode on and install non-market apps, So anyways, go to OK, and it'll download. And once it downloads, just open it, install it. And I'm not going to wait for all that, but there you have it.